Hello, what's up fam, how you doing? In this video I want to teach you how to work with Nrf24lo1. This is a kind of RF module which you can connect two Arduinos together, then run your commands on it or receiving some data. In this video I want to teach you what is the logic and functionality, then we can testify how does it work. So step by step let me teach you how can we run our commands on it. Let's do it. Okay, to begin with, this is Nrf24lo1, a PA-LNA version. It can send the signal a bit more far away, but in this video we want to work on a simplest version, Nrf24lo1. As you can see, here is a quadrangular sign. This is G and D, and this one is VCC, which is equal to 3.3 volt power. It operates on 2.4 gigahertz, and here we have 6 more pins. CE is a kind of chip enable. It enables your chip. This one, let me write it. This one is CSN for as a chip selection, and it is useful when you are using Nrf24.h library. And here we have MOSI for sending the data, and here we have MISO, master in and sub out. So it's for receiving the data. Here we have SCK. SCK is a serial clock for sending the clock signal here, and unless your project is in advanced mode, you don't need to connect IRQ pin. It's an interrupt pin. So let's start and connect it to Arduino, then run our code on it. Now it's the time to testify our project and see if it works or not. At first, we should run our codes and see if it is receiving or sending the data or not. So we need two libraries, maybe three. Is a kind of include SPI.h, RF24, and even include Nrf24lo1.h. But in this video we don't need that, because as a first step we want to just learn how to modify our object and then start to begin though. So here we have CE and CSN pin. Another one is the address. It should be the same and not less than 5 characters, because if you write in a string in a less than 5 character, C++ add a null character in the rest of it. So a null character is not modified and permitted by this module. Here we have serial.begin and open writing pipe, the pipe address, and here we have an extra number, 1 comma address. Open reading pipe. Which pipe? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So if it is one-to-one connection, pipe 0 is okay. Is a kind of mastery connection, which in next video I will teach you how does it work. But if you have more connection, you should use between 1 up to 5. And here we have PA high. RF24 is a kind of power amplifier, which we take a look back. I teach you how does it work, then we continue. Here we have RF24 PA low. What does it mean? It means that we want to modify the power of amplifier. So here we have 4 selections: minimum, low, high, and max. Minimum is the lowest step of battery usage but the maximum is the highest position up to 100 meters, but it may interfere with other modules. So in a sweet spot is that high, is a kind of -6 dBm. But what is dBm? dBm is decibel milliwatt, and a 0 dBm equals to 1 milliwatt. If the amount of dBm is positive or negative, higher than the usual, so the range will be lower. So for example, when we have -18 dBm, the range is 10 up to 20 meters, and -12 dBm is 30 meters, and here the highest position 100, but the high position, which is a sweet spot I said, is 50 meters. So you can use by your own and what you need. Now it's time to set our modules as a transmitter or the receiver. So here we can start or stop listening. If you are stop listening, it means you want to talk. If you are stop listening, it means you want to hear something. You don't want to talk. So in this way, is a const character, hello world, is a memory address and text. And then in C++, we want to send in bytes the size of the character, because it's needy to receive that though in the receiver side. Then we can print them all together in 1000 milliseconds. And here you are. Here's the result. Here's the final part. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and thumbs up the video, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.